Okay guys, simulan na natin to. So, i-review natin yung laban ni Dunch at Bill Collector. Isa sa pinakamagaling na MC sa Amerika. Okay guys, huwag niyo kalimutan mag-subscribe sa aking channel, Joshua Bustria. Okay gay, play na natin.
And he's an assassin with those angles.
Fast forward natin.
King of the dot, S1. Put your money where your mouth is. We here live in Los Angeles. Everybody, please make some noise, y'all. This one about to be crazy. First off, shout out my guy, Lush, and his birthday, of course.
Man, come on. Louis Vuitton got my jewelry on. And when your bitch on the scene, she finna choose on the Don. What's up? Can I get a no? Easy motherfucking call. Crazy right here.
Oh yeah, shout out Ghost Ross. Battler to my right, representing the North Division. Introduce yourself.
Billiano the Dono, everybody's favorite African Americano.
Bill Collector. Guys, siya si Bill Collector. Tuloy na natin.
AKA Devil Bar Bill, Devil Tear Bill. If you ain't got a soul, you can never kill Bill. AKA Huck Turner. Yeah, you heard me, the coolest cat in a room full of job turkeys, the meanest, the cleanest, brung all the women from Venus, counting cash, not taking no jazz. They fuck with me because I'm sucker free. Got in a fight with a bear, made something to wear. Cooler than your nephews, moving in some dress shoes. Turn up! Let's go! Happy birthday,
Ang haba din mag-shoutouts guys, no? Ito, ang haba na mag-shoutouts niya, no? Ni Bill Collector. Ang kulit niya, no? Lalo na yung mga nasa likod niya. Okay, sige, tuloy na natin.
Left, representing the Eastern Conference. Introduce yourself.
Loud shit. Yeah, it's Dunch.
Ang kulit no? Pareho sila makulit. Pero ito, ang galing magpatawa. Sige, tuloy na natin. Okay, sige, game.
Bill won the coin toss. He chose Dunch to go first. KO to the S1 playoffs. This one's about to be a heater. Let's go.
Alright.
1 victim, 2 victim, 3 victim, 4. You've been out here catching victims galore. Yeah, sure. Except for fucking XQZ. The less cool me.
Ang lupit ng ano niya, simula niya, no? Ang ganda ng pagkaka-setup niya. Guys, mahusay na komedyante itong si Dunch. Kung napanood yung mga past battles niya sa KOTD, guys, talagang may entertain niya kayo. Tuloy na natin.
Bro, I'm that motherfucker if he ate a sensu bean. You act like you trapped in this rap shit and they won't let you leave, but now you ran into the truth and I'ma set you free. Let's get it. The new style's horrible, bitch. You act like you bugging out. They ignore what you spit. Let's see you drop a perfect score after I order a hit. I'm screaming F-150 moving forward in this shit. You took daylight style and distorted the shit. You even switched your mannerisms and performance to fit. Let's but I got more on my wrist than you spent on your...
Medyo ano siya, no? Medyo nawawala siya, guys. Hirap din kasi magsulat
Portal subscriptions. I'm like some sort of magician the way I pull a 4 on this trick. He'll be like, I got punched, yeah, I got it. Freeze tag, I'm not it. Reloadable.
Guys, napansin niyo yung ganong gesture niya, no, ni Dunch. Yun yung style ni Bill Collector habang nag-i-spit siya, para nagsasayaw siya, guys. Para siyang sa flip top si Silencer. Para si Silencer nagsasayaw ng ganun. Lakas makakuha ng angulo itong si Dunch Okay guys, tuloy na natin.
Talk shit, I'm at your door. We're loudable. Work site, power tools, swerve right, counter moves. How you gonna smoke loud when we the one that's loud and we loudable? Bro, I saw that show out punch, and in a way I got proud of you. Cause that whole time, I thought you got the daylight knocked out of you. I give a fuck what Bill Collector brought. Or if he had the weapons drawn. Super duper scope hit me an island from Ecuador. See you the Bill Collector till I fire a Kalashnikov, your brains in your lap. Have you trying to collect your thoughts? His head'll be missing. And forensic ballistics, that's my weapon. Now I'm sitting in a federal prison. I barely even ever shot it to protect the condition. But it had his name on it, the Collector's Edition. I give a fuck about...
Lupit. Yun ang talagang linyang talagang pasok na pasok yung verse niya sa kay Bill Collector Talagang straight to the point talaga. Meron din kasi mga punchline na hindi tumatama, guys.
The bars that you're allegedly spitting, because it's all been done before. You just pretend that it's different. And you got this crowd fooled you're an impressive magician, but you need to ditch the smoke and mirrors and reflect on your image and play the jester position before I come for your neck, bro. I got student loans to think about, so fuck your respect. And the 100K is just enough to cover my debt. So I'll give bill collector his dues after you go cut me my check. It's one.
Let's fuck up. Red one is up.
Round 1 ni Danch. Bibigay kong score ay 7-10. 7 out of 10. Medyo merong siyang mahinang linya, meron din naman malakas, guys. So, game, bill collector na, round 1. Game, bill collector.
Yo, I'm tired of the daylight comparisons. That's all they say. And daylight, I know we didn't talk about this shit publicly. So pardon me. But as soon as sun tried to set that light tone, it got dark, Day. Wait.
Ang lupit ng niya, una niyang round, guys. Para siyang nangangalaska, guys. Alam niyo yun, guys. Yan yung pinaka niya, signature skills ni Bill Collector, guys. Yung mga Alaska muna. Okay, guys, tuloy natin.
When they announced this battle, I said, fuck! He's different. And he been firing, too. There goes that money I was planning on retiring, so. Then I got to thinking, come on, Bill. He's not a better performer, better puncher, or better writer than you. And that's when I got it.
Yeah.
In order to win this battle, I just got to be more whiter than you.
Oh, yeah.
So how do you do? I'm about as chipper as Connie Mandu. Just ate a vegan air sandwich to keep my body in tune. I got invited to Pilates in June. I'm all for it. This new shotgun I got is off the wall. One blast to have you parkouring. So start.
Grabe. Sulod-sulod na nasuntok yung binitaw ni Bill Collector, pero natawa ako dun sa likod niya, yung hype man niya. Yung palagi nagsasabi ng what. Lakas din makapang-asaran yun Sige guys, tuloy na natin.
So start roaring, G. I grab my dog's pound, spark rounds, give the gun back after I shoot him, watch my dog get roofed like Charles Brown.
Yeah.
Put your dirty paws down. As soon as you try to put it there, pal, put it there, pow. Gotta change your whole tune like Weird Al.
Kulit nung nasa likod ni Bill Collector guys Sobrang kulit. Gada spit ni Bill Collector, talagang may hype man siya Parang talaga dagdag puntos din yung ganun So okay guys, tuloy na natin.
Clear down. Are you hurt? Yes. Broke chest with burnt flesh. Angry girlfriend. I repeatedly burst text.
Yes.
I catch Kevin home alone and start swinging cans from the first step.
Grabe. Talagang pasok na pasok yung suntok ni Bill Collector, guys Grabe, masyado siyang talagang naghanda dito, guys Okay, tuloy na natin. Marami pa siyang sasabihin diyan. Antayin nyo, guys. Dami pa napansin. Kay Bill Collector lahat
this shit wrong like a first check. I'm here at worst, best, sure. Touch is hot. You think Bill occur? What happens when I start killing her? It will occur. G will occurs. Check the stats. They say Bill in third. I was real absurd. I was real disturbed. I've been cooking so much my skillet burn. I've been hot since Lil Wayne was spilling syrup. You just got hot when Lil Nas here started to fill absurd. You've been on some shit.
Grabe,
Shit,
lakas.
you still a turd, and I'm still a word. But back to my white voice to get these bars out. Like, if I do use the super duper duper scope, well, dude, that'd be totally far out.
Grabe. Talagang sigawan talaga yung nasa likod At ako natatawa talaga ako sa isang kasama ni Bill Collector, yung hype man niya. Talagang napaka-supportive guys Sige, tuloy na natin.
Shit, I gotta shoot a bitch like B-Mick. Show out and catch a hit, man. Show out and catch a hit, man. No remix. Remix a boy I heard before and get remixed. They predict a prenuptial prefix, meaning when we split, I'm the only half of the bag to compete with. What?
Uy. Grabe guys, no. Sunod-sunod yung binitawan ni Bill Collector na na mga malalakas na linya kay Danch. So, round 2 na kay Danch na. Makakabawi kaya guys. So, ang bibigay ko kay Bill Collector ay 10 out of 10, guys. Lamang si Bill Collector round 1. So, round 2 na, guys.
Stop playing me. I sound like daylight.
Lagi pala siya kinukumpara kay Daylight, guys. Panoorin niyo rin yung laban ni Daylight, ah. Maganda rin yung laban niyang yun, eh. Mga laban niya, magaganda. Malakas din yan. So, game. Round 2.
We interrupt that bar fest to bring you breaking news. At least 12 bodies have been found laying in the street, and so far, the suspect has evaded the police. Now, this story's still developing, but for the latest on the beat, we go live to our correspondent, who's stationed at the scene. Thanks, Tom. It's being called a bloodbath. The witnesses at hand describe a shooting spree that ended just as quick as it began. The weapon, unrecovered. But ballistics that they ran indicated that the suspect hit his victims from Japan.
Guys, yung bali, parang pinupunto ni Danch dito yung tumama daw sa Japan. 'Di ba may tumawang nuclear bomb sa sa Japan? Yun na pagsabog sa Nagasaki pati sa Hiroshima. Ang loko ni Danch, no? Sige, tuloy natin, guys.
Now, the investigation's still in a preliminary stage, but I'm told that the weapon may be military grade, with officials at the Pentagon admitting in a statement that the super-duper-duper scope went missing yesterday. Now, as we get more on this subject, I'll certainly break it to you, but for now, I'm Jay Blackstone, Champion News. Well, a fascinating story. We turn now to the digital sector. Microsoft announcing a new bid for investors. I'm sorry to interrupt, Tom, but the village inspector just confirmed that he has arrested William Collector.
Si William Collector, no? Lakas, no? Guys, no? Lupit ng linya yun ni Danch, no? Creative itong second round niya. Sige, tuloy pa natin.
Described by friends and family as an awful disappointment, he appears by all accounts to have been a product of his choices. The leader of the Loud Boys, a squad of little
Loud Boys, paanong ang pinupunto niya dyan, guys, yung pagkaiingay na kasama ni Bill Collector habang nag-i-spit si Bill Collector. Lakas makasang ni Dutch, no?
boys that are renowned in local circles for the volume of their voices.
Lakas magpatawa, no, guys, no? The volume of the voices, paano ba pagkaiingay ba naman nila? Itong mga nasa likod ni Bill Collector.
Now, it appears his accomplice, Dre Dennis, has managed to escape. I'm told a cipher broke out and he vanished in the fray. But officials have assured me there's a man in every state waiting to arrest him at whatever league he's booked to battle in today. Now, we'll be updating our viewers in any possible way that I can, but for now, I'm Jay Blackstone. Shake my hand. Thanks, Jay.
Paano ba naman, no? Pagkahilig, no, ang gaslaw ng kamay ni Bill Collector, no? Habang nag-i-spit siya, no? Talagang silencer yung datingan, no? Sa flip top.
We'll have more on this as it develops, but for now, a Denny's and McDonald's merger. Champion News has gotten word of, get this, a waffle burger. Tom, it's an awful turn now as a lot's occurred. This rumor not confirmed. I'm hearing that a cop's been murdered. Bill Collector has escaped. Shots were heard. Stand by, we're watching further. Oh God, he's got the burner. Tom, he's got the burner.
Ay, nako. Grabe na. Pero no? Pero sapul na sapul yung mga jokes ni Dance kay Bill Collector, no?
Tom, it looks like Dre, Dennis, and Holmesy are joining him now. They're firing hollow tips, so they finally got a point to their rounds. Can you speak up, Jay? There's quite a bit of noise in the crowd. Yeah, I can barely hear myself, Tom. These boys are so loud.
Paano ba namang hindi iigay pagkadami din napaka-supportive nga ng mga kasama ni Bill Collector. Talagang kay Bill Collector talaga, no? Sapul na sapul.
I'm being told by my producer that we have to go to a commercial, Tom, but we'll be back right after this.
Grabe. Sa akin, yung round na yun ni Danch, palagay na natin ng 9 out of 10 game. So, round 2 na kay Bill Collector na, guys. Sige, simulan na natin ang round 2. Round 2 na, round 2. Babawi yan, babawi.
Peep the message. With all that big lawyer speaking flexing, I gotta ask the main freaking question. If money not your motivation to cook, then what keeps him chefing? Because there's people in this that really need the check, and it's starting to seem like you hear from a leech perspective. All jokes aside, because it ain't funny, 2009, bad car accident. I had a little bit of...
By the way, ang nagustuhan ko kay Bill Collector, magaling siya mag-set up ng linya niya, guys, no. Talagang pinag-iisipan niya, guys, no. Talagang nagsusulat talaga siya ng linya. Pero talagang malakas talaga, guys. Sige, tuloy natin.
Case money. A crooked cop seen me at the light, decided to chase something, crashed into me when I almost got away from him. I had a little bit of weed on me, but they let me go because little did I know they was building a case from me. So my little bit of case money just turned into case money. The judge wanted 8 from me. Crooked public defender tried to snake from me, charges to my account that 8 from me. Panicking to make money, I had to take money because it takes money to make money. And
Oy, grabe.
I couldn't afford the money. I had to sue the public defender to get my lawyer money. So what?
Grabe. Talagang talagang dikit-dikit yung mga mga rhyme, guys. Rhyme pati mga talagang pinag-aralan niya, talagang napakaganda yung pagkaka-deliver pati pag-setup, guys, no. Lakas ni Bill Collector talaga. Paborito ko siyang MC sa KOTD, guys, ha. Isa siya sa mga paborito ko. Sige, tuloy na natin.
Oh my goodness. So, to see you stand here and act like this big time funny lawyer, buddy, it's pissing me off because we see you at these rap battles way more than we see you actually lawyer, dummy. How you battle rap full time, but lawyer part time? Do you handle like parking tickets or the really hard crimes? I'm talking that Briz Rothstein, the dark side. Crimes from all sides, I'm saying, bro. Do you work day by day, yo, or you handle entire caseloads? At this point, it's whatever you say, yo. I'm just confused on why you allowed to battle rap so much, but they had to delete everything from J-Pro. That's lame. It's lame, yo. The blade go right where your bang showed in Bad Baker. Wrong way, I slice your bagel. I split rams. The clips hit your...
Oy, lakas. Grabe. Sige, tingnan natin kung tuloy-tuloy pa tong pagiging consistent ni Bill Collector sa round na ito, guys.
With 30, look like you dancing in front of Chris Brown. I see your team push up position, but then they hit ground. Big Rich Town. Seeing your ghost in the building was the reason they decided to get down. Shit, wow. I just up and remember. You try and fuck my Christmas up, got me cutting up in December. I'm in here double strapped like some fucking suspenders. I got the burner, you know I got the burner. Yeah. A couple of unregistered for the fucking pretenders. But a pair of legals, attorneys type dudes on the public. What?
Lakas. Talagang talaga no, direct to the point pa rin yung linya niya kay Dutch, no. Pero natutuwa pa rin ako sa kasama niya, no? Ni Bill Collector, no? Ang kulit, no? Ang kulit.
Do it look like I'm concealing a pistol in my attire? Good, because it's time expired. They gonna find your body burnt up smelling like a tire fire. They gonna need an ashtray to carry the lawyer like liar, liar.
Whoa!
These all bars. These all bars. Filler where? Your bitch got 3 holes. I said filler where? Cut your fucking hands off. You gonna filler where? Pass out from the blood loss and I'ma smack you till you wake up and filler where? You ain't never faced nobody like me, nigga. Fucking Chili Jones. Let's go.
Ang lakas, grabe. Grabe, sabay nakasar pa siya kay Dodge, no? So, ang round ni Bill Collector dito, 10 out of 10. Lamang na lamang siya, guys. Super lamang. So, round 3 na, kay Dodge na tayo. Dodge na, round 3.
Yo. When XQZ called him a porn addict, that was depressing as hell. To the point it had me thinking we should get him some help. I guess he didn't see that interview where you confess this yourself. He doesn't just watch porn, he directs it as well. Wow. I guess he really is supplying the crack. He got a pornographic website inspired by smack. It's all 30-second trailers with this guy in the back saying for $7.99 you can subscribe to the app. It's Bill Collector, the pornographic film director, creator of the iconic cult classic MILF Detector. Pause. That ain't the type of shit that's really like me to say, but you're at work shooting money shots from 5 feet away, and in the face-off, you said I was the white DNA, but you'll be leaving your job covered in some white DNA.
Oh! Grabe. Lupit din ng linyang yun, guys, ah. Na may comedy na may halong ano din talaga, no? Talagang may technical, no? Guys, no? Sige, tuloy natin. Sa
Yo, a porno director. Sounds strange, but it's true. That's like the only place that you don't have to pay for your views. Your last video, viral, front page in the news. He even did the Beasley voice and narrated it too. It started out like stepping to the stage from the loo. Introducing, known for his aggression and shaking the room. Right now, stepping to the stage with his crew, Hitman Holla finally makes his debut. Yo, him and Hitman have been in a pretty positive place, but I knew that it was him that went and caught him on tape. Because ever since he and his brother socked your jaw into space, he fucking, whatever, time, yo. Shit, fuck!
Sayang, nag-choke. Nako, sayang talaga. So, tingnan natin itong round 3 ni Bill Collector. Sayang, Dodge, sayang. Sayang.
Go get some money. Stop him.
Round 3 na. Round 3 kay Bill Collector.
Hitman show out bars, rapping about my porn direction. Shit that a rookie did. Yeah, I directed porn, so I can show people how pussy you is. What?
Oy! Grabing rebat yan. Napakatindi. Nako, ang lakas ng score nang yan sa akin, ah. Super taas ng score. So, dupit ng rebat, talagang pasok na pasok. Okay, tuloy natin.
When you was in the King of the Dot group yapping, dog, I too was in the same group thinking, damn, it might be time for me to give Smack a call. It's on my to-do list. I'm gonna scratch it off right after I win this rapper war. It's like basketball, point systems and stats involved, but we on point because the system know that we got cracks involved. Stacks are raw, cocaine killer Macklemore. I've been trapping more. You strapped for war, one phone call, I'm at your door. Suit your armor, make sure your sword attach your cross. Cherish the days, because one bad night can make a castle fall. Shot hit your windshield, make the axle stall. Second shot hit his spine, he won't be coming back for more.
Ayos, grabe. Consistent si Bill Collector, ah.
These guns come pressed in packs. These guns come pressed in packs like applesauce. And I be running with them bitches. David Hasselhoff. Modeling two pieces like bikini babies. Like bikini ladies. Under the no smoking sign, you see me blazing. This gun make ultrasounds. You see me, baby? Clips get stuffed like Beanie Babies.
Grabe. Sulod-sulod talaga. Pero itong si Bill Collector, guys, technical din eh, no? Lakas. Lakas ng mga punchline niya, pati pag delivery. Good. So guys, alam niyo na, para sa akin, panalo to si Bill Collector, ah.
Easy, you's a bottled up bitch. I dream a genie, maybe make a wish. The nose wiggle, counts question marks all over your body, but it's no riddle. A-Dep and them gonna blog about this. You don't let the goat get you. He went Godzilla on City Towers. He's so little. How you get bullied by the white dude that say shit like faux shizzle? My faux fizzle hit my enemy and make the faux fizzle. You can't stop it, then it's Mo Drizzle. Big gun hole. Big gun hole.
Grabe. So guys, panalo na si Bill Collector, guys, ah. Sayang yung round ni Dunch, sayang talaga. Okay na sana yung round 3, nag-choke nga lang. Pero wala naman tayo magagawa kung mag-choke eh. Sige, tuloy na.
Phone missiles, knee shot didn't throw just what you gonna say? How you been secretly going gay? Or how I been on gates of the garden, releasing my known rage, creating my own rage, and making my own wave. Nah, I gotta show Kevin Gates really kicking the bitches on stage. Gotta stop the show. Gotta stop the show. Your soul never had any soul, and now it's not your soul. I can show you what places on the court not to go. Shaq in the paint, the block control. All my guys are down for the heavy metal, so if you're not rocking, roll. Hey, DC, he on the highway to hell, about to give a Def Leppard a kiss. True story, I'm sniping to set up Kevin with this. It's like Chris Paul with the weapon and shit, cause you about to pass after pass like a record assist. Time.
Uy, grabe. 10 out of 10 Bill Collector, all 3 rounds Bill Collector, guys. Pero shoutouts kay Dunch, napakita niya yung best niya. Shoutout din sa kanya. Salute din sa kanya, salute din. Magaling din yung pinakita niya. Pero guys, sa akin, Bill Collector, guys.
Make some noise for Bill and Dunch, yo!
Sorry.
Pakikiramay sa mga bumili ng Dragon Knife sa halagang 499 na piso dahil today is a deep 50% diskwento.
Hey, yo, King of the Dot, K to the S1 playoffs. Bill and Dunch, make some noise for these two guys, man. Yeah, I just want to say it was very unfortunate that they had to face each other in the first round of the playoffs. Two of arguably the two most highly favorited people in the tournament to win it. It's just how the cards fell. That saying, moving forward, getting one step closer to the 100K, the winner of the battle, Bill Collector.
Hey.
What? Hey, shout out Dunch for having an incredible...
Bill Collector talaga, guys. So, lakas eh. Talagang all 3 rounds Bill Collector eh. Technical, jokes, punchlines. Talagang overkill yung ginawa ni Bill Collector. So okay guys, all 3 rounds Bill Collector.